Good morning from day 11. We are waking up in Swanage Bay and we're getting ready to leave. Al is lifting the anchor. We were worried that we were too fixed in the clay. We anchored in clay and we were worried that we may lose the anchor, so let's see what happens. How many meters left now? Awesome, thank you. Are you going to be hoisting the main? Wow. We're going to move our lazy pumps today and do some sailing. Just switch the engine off. As soon as we switch it off, the apparent wind decreased, and now we're sailing on a very small wind, F3 true wind, probably even F2, and we're still doing 5.7 knots because the tide is with us. Oh, baby and the mother, they're so cute. These are not adults.
Yeah, there's the baby in there.
Wow, the baby and the mom are so cute. Oh my God, look at them coming from all directions. Dolphins. The baby is so cute. Oh, look at this baby, look at this, look at this. They're performing for us. Oh my God, look at them performing. I want. Oh, baby and mom together. Look at them, so sweet. Look how many they are. Look how many they are. Are you enjoying your day, babies? Jump. Woohoo! Baby, little baby. Little baby, come back. Oh, the baby and the mom was so cute. Woohoo! There came so many at one point, I didn't know where to point the camera. Now is the time to see the sea, Elsie, not during the night when we are sleeping.